Geothermal energy is the most energy efficient, environmentally clean, and cost effective way to heat buildings. But what is it really? Geothermal energy is a renewable energy source which utilizes the constant heat produced underneath the surface of the earth for heating and cooling purposes above ground. In its simplest form, geothermal is able to utilize the earth's steady temperature to heat and cool space. Geothermal is far from new technology. Cave people embrace the constant temperature found in caves due to this phenomenon. Native Americans have used geothermal energy for cooking as early as 10,000 years ago. Greeks and Romans used hot springs to heat water for bathing 2,000 years ago, and today we're using this great resource to heat our own buildings. Luckily for us, our knowledge and technology has grown exponentially since the days of the cavemen. We can now harness the energy found right below our feet for all sorts of different applications. Green Seed Apartments strives to be carbon neutral. The use of geothermal energy is one aspect of our process that allows us to achieve this goal. At a depth of around 10 feet below the Earth's surface, there is a consistent temperature of around 54 degrees Fahrenheit. Ground loops buried at this depth allow geothermal heat pumps to use the Earth as a heat source or a heat sink. Green Seed Apartments use horizontal loop systems. This system is able to take the cool air from our building and bring it underground where the Earth will be able to warm it up before being distributed once again throughout the building in this cycle. Experts say geothermal energy is cleaner, more efficient, and more cost-effective than burning fossil fuels, and it can significantly reduce our dependence on oil. Its source is the limitless amount of heat generated by the Earth's core. With all this taken into account, geothermal heating systems are 4 times more efficient than a similarly used fossil fuel system. This allows us to supply the electricity needed simply through our solar panels found on the roof of our building. Green Seed Apartments uses choices like geothermal energy and other energy-conserving technologies to ensure that our buildings are carbon neutral and resource efficient, allowing you and us to work together to make the world a greener place.